In this assessment, we're going to label all of the carbon atoms in this molecule as primary, secondary, tertiary, or quaternary. We'll do so by counting the number of hydrogens attached to that carbon. If we start at the end of this molecule, we have this methyl group. This methyl group has 1 bond to a carbon and 3 bonds to a hydrogen. Because it has 3 bonds to a hydrogen and 1 bond to another carbon, this is a primary carbon. The next carbon over has 2 bonds to carbon and 2 hydrogens, so that makes this a secondary carbon. At the ring junction, we have 3 bonds to carbon and no hydrogens. That makes this carbon atom a tertiary carbon atom. As we go around the ring, each of these CH2 groups are all secondary carbons. They have 2 bonds to carbon and 2 bonds to hydrogen. So we can label all of those as secondary in one operation. The same thing with this one. This one is also secondary. As we move our way around the ring, we've got a couple more secondary carbons. And this one as well is also secondary. Here we have a carbon atom with 4 bonds and 0 hydrogens. That makes this one the lone quaternary carbon in this structure. And finally, we end with 2 methyl groups. Each of these methyl groups have 1 bond to carbon and 3 bonds to hydrogen. That makes them both primary carbons.